How to go to Koh Samet. Koh Samet is a small island that may not be the best of Thailand's many islands, but it is certainly one of the easiest to reach from Bangkok. Most of the island is within a protected area, so although close to Bangkok, the island is only lightly developed. If you're a new traveler to Thailand or haven't traveled outside of Bangkok, you might be wondering just how to reach the island of Koh Samet. To get to Koh Samet from Bangkok, you'll need to reach Minivan Pier in Ban Phe. This can easily be done by hiring a private car or taxi, or by public bus. The drive in total will take about 3 to 4 hours depending on traffic. Hiring a car will set you back about 2,500 to 3,000 baht. The cheaper alternative is to take a bus from the Eastern Bus Terminal in Ekkamai. A bus ticket will cost you 166 baht. Buses depart about every 90 minutes, with the last bus leaving at 5 p.m. At Minivan Pier, if taking a car, you'll be able to be dropped off right outside the covered ticketing area. If you take the bus, you'll be dropped off across the street in a parking area, which is just a short walk to the ticketing area and pier. Here you can purchase a ferry ticket for 60 baht, 120 baht for a round-trip ticket. You can also purchase your return bus ticket to Bangkok. We recommend doing this as the buses do fill up. After purchasing your ticket, you'll be directed to the waiting area on the pier, and then it's a 45-minute ferry ride to the island. If 45 minutes sounds a bit long, you can also choose to purchase a speedboat ticket. A speedboat takes about half the time. The tickets are 300 baht per person or 500 baht per person for a round trip. However, if you've already booked accommodation with a resort, be sure to check whether they offer a speedboat service, as many of them do. Ferries and many speedboats arrive at the Minivan Pier in Ao Klong. The pier can easily be spotted by its arches and the topless ogress from Thai folklore. Once at the pier, you'll disembark from your boat and queue up to exit. You'll find that once you leave the pier, you'll need to pay the national park entrance fee. The rates are Thai adults 40 baht, Thai children 20 baht, foreign adults 200 baht, foreign children 100 baht. Yes, dual pricing is a common complaint, but save yourself the stress of a random ticket check when entering the park and just pay the fee when you exit the pier. After paying the fee, exit the building and begin your island holiday. And remember, the town is so compact, you don't need transportation from the pier, so say no to offers. And that's how you go to Koh Samet from Bangkok. Thanks for watching. If you found this video useful, please give it a like. And subscribe if you'd like to see more Travsight videos in the future.